Hey everyone. In this video, we're going to cover a great new feature from Gist, which is the Live View. Live View allows you to view everyone who is currently on your site or in your app, and it actually allows you to talk to them right where they are. So I'm just going to go ahead and refresh the Live View page, because if you get a decent amount of traffic, what you're going to notice is that it has to catch up. So you see up here in the top corner, it tells you the number of total people online, and then the number of known people. So these are people who you have their email address, their subscribers, or their users. So just give it a moment to catch up, and then it will actually refresh on its own. And as new people show up, it will show you. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go through all the different columns and categories to show you what they are, and then I'm actually going to show you how to message someone on your site. First up, we have name. If you don't know their name, it's just going to show you site visitor. But if you know who they are, if they're signed up, you're going to actually see their name. And if they're a user, you might even see their image. Then you have action. This is obviously where you're going to send them a message. So you can actually click on that, and you could write a message directly to them, or you can actually add a snippet. There are two ways to add a snippet. You can put the hashtag symbol, and it will pull up all of your saved snippets, or you can just hit snippet in this corner, and it'll bring those up as well. And if you want to add a snippet specifically for your live messages, you can actually just click manage, and it will take you directly to the snippet setting. Next up, we have email. If you know their email address, it will be right there. And it'll tell the user type, if they're just a visitor or if they're a user. If you have different tags, it will tell you that as well. Current page title, this tells you exactly where they're at on your site. This is great because right now we have a site visitor on our pricing page. So it would be great to put a snippet in there and say, hey, I noticed you're looking at our pricing. Let me know what you think. The current page path is, just kind of where they are on your site specifically, so you can tell which URL they are at, or if they're in your app where they are. The time on site, how long they've been on your site, if they just arrived, if they've been on there for 10 minutes, or even a day, as some of our users just leave a tab open. This is the location, so you can, if you're geo-targeting on your business, you can kind of tell which ads they're coming in from, or if you just send out an email specific to a region, you can see if those are working. And you can be ready to answer those questions as soon as the email goes out. Number of open tabs. This can be helpful because if they only have one open tab, they're likely looking at, like right now, like how to schedule meetings with very busy people. They're only looking at one tab, so they're likely to see a live chat message right there. But up here, we have 4 open tabs. Maybe they might be on a different tab, and they might not actually be available. And then the original source, where they actually came from. A lot of our traffic is from our organic search, so a lot of them come from Google, but you can actually see that as well. So if it's coming from Facebook, if you're running Facebook ads, you can be ready for those Facebook ads, and you can know how to tailor your messaging because you know what the ad copy was. I'm going to click down here, and you can actually see this morning Jitta used live chat. And he said, hey, Josh, just wanted to say hi using the new live view. And then we've just kind of been playing around with it all morning because it's a really cool feature. So there it is, the overview of the live view. It's now in beta. Please try it out. Let us know what you think. We would absolutely love to hear your feedback.